Hello students, in last video we have studied about exercise 4.2. In this video we will study about graph of a linear equation in two variables. We have studied about linear equation in two variables and we have found that if there is an equation in two variables there are so much possibility that it will have so many solutions. Now we will study of a graph of a equation that is in two variables. So let's draw a Cartesian. This is origin, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. We have given the equation x plus 2y equal to 6 and we have to draw the graph of this equation. How can we draw? So first we have to find out the values or coordinates of this equation. So if we put the value of x equal to 0, then we will get y equal to 3. So point will be 0, 3. Next, if we put x equal to 1, we will get y equal to 6 minus 1, 5 upon 2. If x equal to 2, then y equal to 6 minus 2, 4 upon 2, 2. Then coordinate will be 2, 2. And if we put y equal to 0, then x equal to 6. So we have found next coordinate 0, 6. So we will mark these points on this graph. This is origin, this is 1, 2 in positive x-axis, 3, 4. This side negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And on the above side plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. On this axis, x-axis, we will put only x coordinate, and on y-axis we will put on only y coordinate. So this is the point 0, 3. So how will we mark it on this graph? So x equal to 0 and y equal to 3. So point will be here. एक वन पॉइंट हो गया A. Next point 2, 2, x equal to 2. We have to take it and y equal to 2. If we match this will be 1. And next point 0, 6, y equal to 6 and x equal to 0. Now here this is not 0, 6, it will be 6, 0. X equal to 6, here it will be 5, 6 and y equal to 0. On x axis y coordinate will be 0, there will be a point 6, 0. And now we match all these points and we will get this line. This is the equation, this is the graph of the equation x plus 2y equal to 6 line. Now we move next theory. Example number 5. Given that point 1, 2, find the equation of a line on which it lies. How many such equations are here? Okay. Here it is given that 1.2 lies and we have to find that equation in which 1, 2 point lie. So if we try it, x plus y equal to 3. If we put here x equal to 1, y equal to 2, we will get 1 plus 2 equal to 3. It means 1, 2 point lies on this equation. So we have to find equation we have found. Now he is asking how many such equations are there. So first we will draw this line x plus y equal to 3, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Here will be point. And if we put x equal to 0, then y equal to 3, and y equal to 0, then x equal to 3. So point will be 1, 2, 3. This point 3, 0 and this point 0, 3. And if we match this is the line. And it is saying how many such equations are there, and our point is 1, 2. X equal to 1 we have to take and y equal to 2 we have to take, and we draw this. And question is asking how many such line passes on this point 1 comma 2. So we can observe here this line is also passing, this line is also passing, this line is also passing, and this line is also passing. So many lines are passing from 1 comma 2. Then answer will be infinite lines, infinite equations are there in which this point 1 comma 2 will lie. Now we move to example number 6. Example number 6 is saying draw the graph of x plus y equal to 7. Question is saying draw the graph x plus y equal to 7. This is the equation x plus y equal to 7. First of all, we will have to find out the points or coordinates. So for this x equal to 0, y equal to 7, y equal to 0, x equal to 7. We have got 2 points 0 comma 7 and next point 7 comma 0. This is x axis, positive x axis. This is negative x axis. This is positive y axis. This is negative y axis. This is origin point. Here it is 1, 2, 3 and so on. It will go to 4, 5, 6 and 7. Same to go above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And we 7 comma 0 point will be here and 0 comma 7 point will be here, and we match these 2 points and we will get the line. So we have draw the graph of x plus y equal to 7. This is the method to draw any graph. Now we move to example number 7. Example number 7 says you know that the force applied on a body is directly proportional to the acceleration production in the body. So let's consider the force as y and it's directly proportional to the acceleration, and b assume acceleration at end, and he is saying that force is directly proportional to acceleration, then y is directly proportional to x, and when we remove the directly proportional, it will here k constant will become, and this is constant. Okay, and now we have to draw this graph, and the value of k may be anything. K equal to 1 may be possible, k equal to 2, 3, because k is a constant and it may take any number. So we have to, he is saying that write an equation to express the situation. We have wrote this equation, we have written this equation and the plot the graph of the equation. So we can plot the graph. Y equal to kx, for a change we can take k equal to 3, then the equation will be y equal to 3x, and we have to plot this graph. X equal to 0, then y equal to 0. I have told you how this coordinate came. If we put x equal to 1, then y equal to 3, 2, then 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here it is also 1, 2, 3, 4. X equal to 0, y equal to 0 point will be here. X equal to 1, y equal to 3 point will be here. X equal to 2, y equal to 6 point will be here. Then equation of the graph will like this. So we can see here the graph of the equation y equal to 3x will be